We have this 06 Toyota Highlander hybrid, 3.3 liter. We sure that changed the radiator and also the thermostat.
All right, so first step is to take off the splash guard, and then we'll get to the drain plug.
How do you take out the splash guard?
It's a bunch of 10s around the bottom. You can see them here. They got little Phillips heads on them. Sometimes people replace it, but just all the ones right here. It's pretty obvious. Okay, with the splash guard off, you can get to the drain plug right here. It's that white plastic with the wing nut on it. You just give that a few twists. Sometimes they're really tight, but this one was not. There's a few twists. Start leaking. Get a drain pan. And there it is.
Okay, next you can take off these plastic clips right here. So you have a small standard screwdriver on the side, pull one up, and do the same with the rest. Next you have the 10s along the sides of this, and 2 12s for the horn. Okay, next we're going to take out these two 12mm bolts to hold on the bracket that keep the condenser and the radiator together. You have these two 12s and these 10s right here on the radiator fan. And we can take this bracket off. Remove the bracket, and you have the 10s removed. You can see that the radiator fans now are loose. We're going to go down. And where are the bolts?
All right, there's two 10s. It's hard to see over by my hand here. There's one right on this side, and the opposite side right here. You can see my finger. Look to the right a little bit more. Yeah. Right where my finger's touching. There's another one right there. Okay. Just those two, and it'll come right out.
Forgot to mention, you also have 2 Phillips going through the condenser to the radiator. This one and this one.
Some rusty clamps you can't get off, and you're gonna change the radiator anyway.
Radiator anyways.
Look at that, the hose is detached. Go.
Now with the hose detached, we can pull up the radiator fans. Just need a little convincing.
Tight fit. Don't forget to do all the electrical clips. And now you can get to the radiator.
Now with the radiator fans out of the way, we can actually lift up the radiator a bit and get to these 12. There's one here, and there's one on the other side. The best way to do it is with a gear wrench. We'll show you. Ooh. If you were to loosen it up instead of tightening it, that'll work. Now that the radiator is almost ready to come up, you can disconnect this hose. Or you can disconnect it right here if you like. It's actually easier to disconnect it right here. You have better reach, and you can change the hose when you have the new radiator out.
Go ahead.
Old radiator's out. So take out these 2 bolts. That's next. Okay, we have the old radiator and the new radiator. The new radiator came with a 90-degree elbow. So we're just gonna remove the hose clamp off that one, put the hose back on, and put it all back together. We're not going to record that part. I guess if you do need it recorded, just the opposite. If you need the other half of the video, you shouldn't have started.
Watch it.